So all of you have been asking me how to check your JAMB result. I mean, everybody on the comment section, on WhatsApp, everybody is interested in checking this 2025 JAMB result. If you have written your JAMB exam for this year, then just pay attention. There is a code, it's just a simple thing that I will share with you. Then you just type it in your phone and your JAMB result will pop up. We're expecting your results to be ready by just between 5th of May till 10th. Between 5th and 10th, we're expecting that your JAMB result will be out, right? So I'll just give you the code. You will keep checking, and your result should be out between 5th and 10th of May. So you can just press this code, get your JAMB result, and know what you score. Here is how to check your JAMB results. Just, you remember that phone number. Do you remember that phone number you used to register your JAMB? That particular, remember I always emphasize it earlier, that particular phone number, you will get it. Type UTME, this particular thing on the screen, UTME result, then send it as a text message to 55019 or 66019. Do you understand? Send it as a text message. Look at what I expect you to do. Using the phone number linked to your JAMB registration. That particular phone number, don't go and use your mother's phone number or your father's phone number. This is just a simple. JAMB made it in such a way that even if you don't have access to the internet, even if you cannot go to a cyber cafe, even if your phone doesn't have data, just with your Nokia Touch, your Pangala phone, without internet connection, once the SIM card you used to register for your JAMB is in that phone, you can just type UTME just on your phone in capital letter, just the same way you type text message now, just the same way you type a normal text message. Just type it on your phone, UTME result, UTME result, UTME result. I hope you can see it on the screen. Once you type it, press send, and you send it to this number 55019, 55019, and ensure you have money. It's not when you are owing the network provider. Ensure there is money on your SIM card, like 15, at least 15 naira, because this SMS will cost you. They will reduce 15 naira. Normal SMS right now is 6 naira, right? But this one, this check, each time you try to check it, they will deduct a service charge of 50 naira. Are you there? Now, when you send that code, what happens? JAMB will send your result as an SMS in a few minutes. When you send it, wait for some time. Don't go and send again. When you send it, relax. Give it like 10 to 15 minutes and see if they will send it to you. If they don't send it to you, you can send it again. But that will be between 5th, as from 5th of, once I will make a video once your JAMB result is ready. Are you getting me? As from that time, when JAMB receives the result, you can just type this code. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Once you press it, piam, it will appear on your phone. The whole long-awaited result. All these things you have been reading for months, for years. Some people started reading from SS2, right? With this code, just type in that code I told you. This code, UTME result to 55019. Piam, you will have your JAMB result on your phone. Okay? After you receive your result, you will need to log into now when you now want to print it in a paper like this one. You see this, like this printed one on the screen. When you want to print your own, right? You will need to visit the JAMB portal. I will still do a video. If you want me to send you the link you can use to visit the JAMB portal to print your result physical, just let me know in the comment section. If that is for the members of our YouTube channel and for those that have subscribed to this YouTube channel, if you want me to give you the link to the JAMB portal, you can just click on it. After you have received an SMS confirming that your JAMB result is ready, you can now go with that link. Just click on it and see it on your JAMB portal, and you can now print it out and show to your loved ones. By the grace of God, and I want you to claim it, your JAMB result will not be less than 300 and above. You will score 300 and above in your JAMB result. In fact, you will have a testimony when you check your result. If you believe it, type "I claim it" in the comment section, and I want you to claim it with all your might. Let your heart not panic. Now, there are some issues, certain issues that certain people that I have received complaint. People keep complaining about their results. I will handle few of them. Common issues when checking your JAMB result. Number one, when you can type that code, like if you type it now that I'm making this video, if you type it before the JAMB result is released, it will show you result not available. Result not available. Remember what I said, you have to send that message with the phone number you use in registering for your JAMB. I hope you understand that. If you send it with any other, your mother's or brother's or your friend's phone number, you will not receive a result. Okay, so result not available, you can send it, and maybe on the portal on your phone you can receive result not available. It means that the result is not yet released by JAMB. Your result may still be processing, so you just give it, maybe you try it 2 times today, it doesn't go, you can try it tomorrow, in the morning, in the afternoon, and the night. Just keep trying. Another thing that could happen is last year JAMB withheld a lot of results, and later after they checked, they started releasing it. So this year it will also be the same thing. So you could also, but this one is not your portion. We cancel it by fire. Your result will not be withheld. I want you to claim it in the comment section. Type "I claim it," that your result will never be withheld. Your result has been withheld by JAMB. So they could type, it doesn't mean that JAMB will not release the result. It just means that at the moment you cannot see it. Okay, but that is not your portion. Another issue that is often coming out is incorrect phone number. Like I said, only the phone number used during JAMB registration can receive result by SMS. Do you understand? It must be only that phone number, which I expect to be your own phone number. By the way, if you're afraid of checking your JAMB result, don't be afraid, don't panic. I've prayed for you, and if you did your best, don't panic, go and check it. Okay, network issues. If maybe as you are typing, sending that code, if there is network issue in the place you are staying, it may affect whether you see the result or not. So if you experience delay, check your internet connection or SMS balance. It may also be that you typed it multiple times and they have reduced 50 naira, and the money in your phone has exhausted. So you just need to check it back. Do you understand? These are the common issues you may face with your JAMB, and I've also shown you the code. Let me highlight it for you again. Just click on this and you will check your JAMB result. If you need me to send you the link to the portal, let me know. Go ahead, become a full member of our YouTube channel. If you don't know how to be a full member, ask me in the comment section. Say, "Sir, please, how can I become a full member?" Then go ahead, like this video, share this video now to all your friends, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. When you subscribe, come under the comment and tell me, "I have subscribed, sir." There is a very important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.